Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So yesterday we agreed to be careful with any potential bearish setup and do not be too hasty with taking the short position, because as we have seen yesterday, market shows real strength as it has passed through the significant resistance on the intraday chart. So you remember on the follow time frame chart, market was at the confidence resistance at the minor extension target, so it was also an agreement, while the dollar index is completed AP equals CD pattern, also at that important fib level, but that was not become a barrier and market proceed action to the upside. So currently market shows real volatility based on the Brexit news, and it's really difficult to forecast what we could see in the nearest perspective. Well, still on daily chart, we have some moments that could make an impact on today's price action. So first of all, despite that market shows significant pullback here and significant rally, so overall action looks very, very nice. So you can see that market shows mostly tail closing, almost tail closing. So this is definitely kind of a thrust exists here. It's very nice upside action, and it means that currently it's very difficult to take any bearish positions on the intraday charts. So meantime, market still stands inside of this recent swing, and currently it's too early to talk about the breaking of the major tendency, because tendency of the high tops and high lows still stand. And to break it, market has to move above this top to show the new top. In this case, we could say about some kind of the reversal. Another tool that we could use here is a kind of the maybe harmonic swing that maybe could shed some light on the perspective of the retracement, so how deep it could be. So you can see market actually stands very close to the final point of this retracement. And when you will see on the intraday charts, that's could be explained by the extension calculation, this tab. Finally, on the daily chart, market stands at the very important resistance. So you can see we stands actually around the confidence resistance on the daily. Weekly pivot resistance one also stands here. And the same story we have on the dollar index. So if you'll take a look at the daily chart, you could see that market has dropped right to the confidence support. In general, guys, here we have kind of the brand by the buy look-alike pattern. So because we have the thrust up, market has closed with the third session below the 3x3 right at the major support area. This setup is not very attractive, just because of the very, very strong downward action here right to the confidence and small thrust up. So it has 7 candles, but the 7 candles you can see very strong. So that's why this pattern has weaker context for trading. So I'd not call it for taking the long position here on confidence support, but still the support and some pullback here really could be done. So maybe it will be not 618, maybe it will be smaller, but overall combination that market stands in the daily confidence, and you will take a look on intraday charts. Market also has completed EB equals CD pattern here. It's also kind of the agreement could lead to some pullback here. The same story actually on the dollar, on the euro currency. On the 4-hour time frame chart, market shows very gradual and straightforward action with a small retracement. So actually almost no pullback has happened. So that was our first target. Minor pullback has happened in the COP and the OP. Yes, they also small pullback. Now market is coming higher, and XOP stands at the 1354. This also stands in agreement with the weekly pivot resistance one, and this guy is actually the final destination of the harmonic swing. So it means that market here could proceed slightly higher to the XOP. Besides, currently, guys, we do not have any bearish signs, so it's no background for taking the short position. So you can see real straightforward action. Also, take a look what really has happened. Yesterday, we talked about the sell-off, and we said that keep an eye on the top of this sell-off. If market will take it out, this will be not good sign for taking the short position currently. And indeed, this has happened. So market actually has broken through this consolidation that we have mentioned recently and move above it. So this is definitely the bullish sign. So currently, we do not see any reasons to go short by far. So because despite that we have the confidence resistance, we need some response of the market to this resistance. And usually this response should come in a way of some bearish reversal pattern. But currently, on intraday charts, we do not see something of that sort. And it means that either we should get it or market will proceed higher right to the XLP target. And maybe there's something will be formed. So somehow if you're taking the long position and keep the longs, you probably could keep it a bit more until the XLP target. If you would like to go short, well, you still keep watching on the strong resistance areas as right now, for example, we stand in the confidence. But as we said yesterday, since the upward action stands rather strong, we need to get clear bearish reversal pattern before taking the position. So that's what we need for taking the short position. Currently, we do not have any reversal patterns or something of that sort. So it means it's not time yet for taking the short position here. So let's see how situation will develop in the euro currency.